Hello PB International student, welcome to SPB International Virtual Educational Creative Tutorial Room, as we can say, Vector. This is our learning virtual classroom to provide you with an encouraging virtual learning experience and accessible anytime, anywhere. In few minutes onward, we will learn about cleaning public area facilities and equipment. This unit deals with competency required in cleaning public areas, facilities, and equipment, including nominated external areas. Today, we will show you about elements required. First, apply glass surface cleaning techniques. Second, apply ceiling surfaces and fitting cleaning techniques. Third, apply wet area cleaning techniques. Before we start, make sure that you are ready with your personal grooming.
Grooming standard. All students are requested the grooming standard, such as for the woman, braided hair. If you have a long hair, make sure your uniform clean and neat. Also, don't forget the name tag. For the men, hair should cut short. No mustache and beard are allowed. Always wear undershirt and belt. Simple watch and wedding ring are allowed. Don't forget with standard trouser and polished shoe. Cleaning the lobby area. First, place the trolley nearby and do not block the access. Second, don't forget using your protection duties, such as hand glove. Throw away the trash from the trash can in the lobby area. Clean the ceiling with the ceiling broom and make sure there is no gas nearby. Do dry dusting and then dusting, starting from the front office counter, tables, sofas, and other counters by starting from one side or clockwise surface. Do dry dusting on the existing artificial flower and all decoration. After that, do glass cleaning with a glass sweeper, sponge, and glass cleaner. First, spray the glass cleaner, scrub the glass with the sponge, and wipe with the glass squeezer.
It's not right for shoulder, Dika. Dry the squeezer before starting with the next sweeping. You do like this, and then start with the new squeezing, okay?
sweeping opposite of the entrance, and don't forget to bring the dustpan. If the lobby is open area, you may follow the wind direction. After finish sweeping, now start mopping, starting from the farthest corner of the door. And don't forget to put wet floor sign near your work area. To maintain the cleanliness of the lobby's floor, do dusting floor regularly.
Alright students, we have learned how to clean public areas, facilities and equipment. See you on the next video.